Hey, Tung Tung, part three. So just making this handle. So I'm not sure what your plan is, if you're planning to make a handle or if you're planning to buy one and attach it, which might be the simplest way of doing it. So anyway, I'm just going to show you a very simple way to draw a handle. So the first thing we need to do is zoom out so we can see these planes at the back, these origins. If you can't see them, switch it on here. And we want that origin at the back. We want a new sketch. So create sketch, boom, origin. Zoom in. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to use the line tool to draw my handle. So I'm going to start on one of these squares, so maybe start with this one, come up, then I'm going to come across the same amount, so what's that, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, come down. Then I'm going to choose the fillet tool. I think it needs to be bigger, so let's make it 30. It's too much. 25. No, not 325, 25. 25. And that's maybe a smidge big, so let's just go with 20 for now. And then the same here. That's 20, beautiful, finish sketch. Now, 3D it. It's not in the right place yet, but don't worry. We do create, pipe. Path selection means this. So we choose that, and then we can choose whether we want a square one, a circular one, or a triangular one. So the circular one or the square, whichever you want really. I'm just going to go with square just for a second. I don't want to be hollow. Then I'm going to now move it. We've done move copy a few times, haven't we, today? Move copy, bodies. And we're just going to move it along this plane so it's in the right place. Let's put it about right there, isn't it? Okay, we're going to click OK. You can always move that later. And now the reason I went for the square one is we can use a tool that I haven't used yet. So I'm just going to change this. Visual style shaded. Now I'm going to get this, the fillet tool. I'm just going to click on that edge. I'm going to put 5 in. And put 10 in, make it a bit more extreme. Can you see how that's rounding it up? So even though it's still square, it's got this sort of round edge to it. So 10 there is pretty good. And I can actually click. So 10's good. Then I'll get that one. Maybe make that one 5. Why not? Be radical. So make that 5. So it's, yeah, you see that. Then go around the back. Five. Lee, what happened there? Did that work? Ah, yeah, but I hadn't selected them all. I'm not using shift, that's what the problem is. Let's just undo. Right, I'm just going to switch off the other bodies just for now. Really see what's going on. I'm going to undo that last chamfer because that just didn't seem to. Oh no, it's done it. That's why it's not letting me do it. It's already done it. I just can't see. Couldn't see that it's done from this angle. So that's why it's objecting. Now get this outer one and make that 10 so they match. Fill it, yeah. Push it in. Yes, just a 10. Okay. So that's actually ended up totally rounding it. So I'm just going to put that back to 5. Let's go for 7, shall we? 7. Okay. Then I'm going to come back to this first one that I did. edit feature. Let's make that 7 as well rather than 10. 7. Not 77, just 7. Okay, yep, now we've got that, so we can put the other things back on. So as the last step for today, let's put some material on it. Spin around. Switch off the sketches. Switch off the origins. A for appearance. I know I've got some nice woods down here. Oak I always think looks nice personally, so boink, let's shove that as oak. Although there's obviously different woods you could use. Or you could choose if you want paint, like a coloured surface. You come in and you could choose, you know, I want yellow. Okay, so you can paint it, and then the top we can make it look like it's made out of plastic. Let's go for textured black. Oh, it's not downloaded, so if I want any of those, I need to download them. So I don't know, we should go for white handle. To download it, you just click on that button and it downloads. So there we've got Tung Tung, your box drawn. Or not a box, is it? Doll's house, sorry, drawn pretty quickly. And if you want, you could go through and cut some windows in the side there. And then next time, if you send me a drawing of how you want the door to look, we can sort that out for you as well. Okay, that's us done.